So previously we have done with a number of options regarding the network implementation, and we connect our virtual network with our virtual machine, we verify the LAN and WAN connectivity, and we also verify which Ethernet adapter is connected with my virtual machine. Right now we are exploring another important option which is regarding the redundancy. Right now we have a demo VM, and if we explore the networking options here, you can easily verify that we have a single virtual network over here with a single adapter. So if this adapter went down, this virtual machine will be disconnected from our virtual network infrastructure. So and the second thing is that if we want to improve the performance and we want to integrate multiple Ethernet adapters over here, so this option is also available here. So here you can see we have attach network interface option. So click on it. Here you can see if you want to create and attach a network interface, so this option is available, and if you want to select from any existing virtual network interfaces, so these options are also available. So I just select the virtual network interface 2 and I click on it, and within a few seconds this virtual Ethernet adapter will be connected with this virtual machine. And here you can see right now this operation is successfully completed. Here you can see successfully attached network interface, and right now here we have two virtual network adapters connected with this virtual machine. And if you want to attach another one, so we can also perform this operation on this virtual machine according to our own requirement. And in future, if you want to detach any network interface from here, so this option is available over here. So you can connect multiple virtual network adapter with the virtual machine, and in future if you want to customize any kind of settings regarding the network, so you can also perform those operations on your virtual machine. So I hope you learn a lot regarding the networking options. So let's explore what kind of other options available on Azure platform. So let's move now.